Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Today I'm here to share hashtag Paper Dolls for Poet 2026, hosted by Jamie over at Poetspice. We come on every week on Saturday at 10 a.m. to share our paper dolls. When I first uh, received the invite, I was like, what can I do? So I picked these, not Julie, Nutty, these knockoff Gorgeous Girl dolls. And today I'm showcasing this doll. And she was really easy to put together, but it needed a little bit of finesse because her big head just seems too big for her dress and her shoulders and it, anyway. So here is one of them. So I use some snowflake paper, and I also punched out some um, what do you call this? Snowflakes, and I added it to her dress and even on her bows. I thought it just needed a little bit of something. And then I added this lace that I had in my stash, because there was nothing, So I just improvised and used a little bit of scraps that I had. Added some bling to the snowflakes, even on her bows. I thought that was really, really, really cute. And then even I paper pieced her socks. I did a gray and white socks here. This one, I just made it really simple. Um, these hearts that are in blue were punched out of the paper, the pattern paper, and I just backed it with some blue cardstock, as you can see here, so it wouldn't see through because the heart's punched out. I just used black because there are some black hearts in here. This is the bow that came with the die. I didn't use it on this one, but I used it on this one. Used the bows for her hair, added some, freckles on her cheeks, some highlights in her eyes. Same with this one. And that is my two paper dolls this week. I do not know what I'm going to do with these dolls. I think, you know, I may put it in a Gorgeous Girl journal, maybe. I don't know. I haven't decided. But that is my paper doll for this week. Go and check out everybody down below. Also, check out Poetspice. I'll have her links down below as well. Yeah, so have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.